Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sew Sampler Box by Fat Quarter Shop. This is a monthly subscription, and this is actually the first box I've been able to get my hands on. I've been on the waiting list for a couple months now, and I got the email recently to sign up if I want to, so I did it as soon as I saw the email, and I got my January box. So let's open this up and see what's inside. The theme this month is sweater weather. I am loving the color scheme. I'm so excited for the contents of this box. So the first thing I want to show you all is this honey bun. So honey bun is strips of 1.5 inch thick fabric. So it comes in the whole colorway of the collection. This is the Cider Honey Bun by Basic Gray for Moda Fabrics. This retails for $27.98, and I love all of these colors. It kind of transcends seasons, which is pretty exciting. So you could use this for a quilt that you could use year round. I'm so excited to break into this. This subscription box is so exciting to me because I'm gonna get a lot more pre-cuts. I usually just buy yardage of solids, so I'm so excited to see how this is gonna build up my stash and help me get more creative in my quilt making. The next thing in here is the Magic Touch Cutting Mat Cleaner. It's like an eraser shape, kind of like those magic erasers, but it's for your cutting mat. So I've actually never really cleaned my cutting mat. It's back here behind me. So I'm gonna jump right into this after the video. You can use it damp or dry, and it says it will get any marks or lint off of it and kind of rejuvenate the life of your mat. The next item in here, oh yeah, and this one actually retails for $4.48. So this one is $4.48. Okay, the next one in here are these heat resistant cool pins. So if you saw my haul video, you know I just recently bought some pins, but I'm excited to get some more. These are heat resistant. So the orange part isn't plastic, so it's not gonna melt if it gets under your iron. So that's really cool. I've never had that be an issue, but I have seen other people have that problem before. Also, I like the orange color because it makes it stand out and you're not gonna forget your pins on there at all. This product retails for $9.48. And then next are these magnets. They're called Sew Tights. They're magnetic sewing pins. So this says it's perfect for English paper piecing, machine embroidery, bag making, and so much more. So I don't do any of those types of sewing projects or crafts, but if I do in the future, I'm excited to try these out. In the meantime, I'll probably just find a different use for them, but I'll kind of show you how this is set up. So it's just a bar on the back and then this on the front. So it's just a magnet, and it would be helpful to clip big projects together. Like if you're working with, the example they gave in here was to use a magnet to pin a pocket on a bag. So something that you can't really pin through, like leather or really thick material. So I think this is a great idea, and I think a lot of people would really get use out of this. It's not gonna be something that I'm gonna be using every day, but it'll be nice to just have in my Notion stash. And then that retails for $11.48. And then the last couple things in here is they give you a quilt pattern to use with your fabric that they gave. So this one is called Fast and Flurrious. I don't know why that's a tongue twister for me. And so there is a table runner version and then a throw. I think the throw is really pretty, and I might actually make this one. We'll have to see. So that's cool. It'll really kind of bulk up my pattern collection as well. I don't have a lot of patterns. I honestly make a lot of my patterns, so it's fun to just follow one and not have to do the math or figure it out. And the last thing in here is a block for the Greatest Hits album quilt. So each month they'll give you the instructions for a block. This is what the block looks like. this time. So because I'm kind of joining this right at the end of when they're sending out all these blocks, I think this actually started either last February or March. So there's really only a couple more blocks until it's done. So I'm not going to be participating in this one. I'll just hang on to the instructions for the block in case I want to use the block in a different quilt. But I am excited to see what their 2021 quilt will be for the Sew Sampler blocks. And if I like it, I'm definitely going to participate. I haven't done any block of the month programs yet. And I think this is actually a really cool way to do it because it just comes every single month in your subscription box. It just gets mailed to you, so you don't even really have to think about it. So I'm gonna be really excited to see what that is coming this March or April, whenever that starts. So let me know what your favorite product in here is. My favorite one is definitely this mat cleaner. I am so excited to start using that, and I'm gonna start using it right now. If you want to sign up for the box, you can reserve your spot at fatquartershop.com. You'll be put on a waiting list, I think, right now. I'm not sure if there's any more spots open currently, but the waiting really wasn't that long. It was only a couple of months. So go ahead, head on over there and do that. Thank you all for sticking with me today, and I will see you next time.